Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick little video on how to remove the chin portion of your AGV helmet. It's actually really simple. I'm gonna give a brief description. The shield's already been removed. Where I remove the shield, you pull the tabs. That's gonna expose these locks. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the lock till it stops and then just pull it out. All right, same thing on this side. All right, you got two of these. Then you're gonna remove these screws. I don't know what the Allen stock size is, but remove these. One. Two. And then unlock it and pull it off. That's it. And you're off. And then if you need to do repairs to this, to your mechanism, you know, pull all your cloth out. You got 3 screws on this piece of plastic, this inner piece. You got one right there, one in the middle, and one right here. So you're gonna pull all those out. And then this is RTV'd on. So with a thin butter knife or something real thin, you're gonna pry this piece off very gently so you don't bust up it, but there's foam underneath. So you wanna carefully pry it off. They concentrated the RTV right in this area here and right in this area here. Once you do that, you can get this off and it'll expose your entire mechanism. I don't know if you can see, but when you pull your chin, well, you can see that when the helmet's on. So I'm not gonna get into that. This is just a video on how to remove this, and then installing it is just the opposite. Basically, I'm just throw it all back on here. It's 1, 2, locked it in there. Take the screw. Just be mindful, there's plastic tabs, like a washer tab, that does have to get keyed in here. So just be mindful when you're putting it in. You just wiggle a little bit until it goes in. There it is. So if you just run it in, you might break the tabs. All right, 1. That one went easy. 2. I might give them a little snug each. Be careful not to over tighten. I'm just giving them a good snug. And then this kicked my ass a little while ago. I don't know why. Oh, forgot these. All right. So the long portion goes up. So we're gonna stick that in there, push it in, turn it back, and lock it. In the up position, same thing. And this is what your shield locks to. And then, yeah, we just stick it on. Put my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, so that goes in there. There we go. This really kick them up with it. And then, all right, we're done. That's how you remove and reinstall your shield. Any questions? Just give me, shoot me a message, and I'll do my best to help you out.